What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to use the new Freeform app on your iPhone. The Freeform app allows you to create and manage flexible layouts for your ideas and projects, making it a useful tool for personal and professional use. Whether you're brainstorming, organizing thoughts, or collaborating with others, this guide will help you get started and make the most of the app. Launch the Freeform app from your home screen. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that offers a brief introduction to the app's features. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself within the layout and tools available. Let's start from left to right from the icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the icon at the bottom left and the sticky note will appear. From here, double tap the sticky note and you can write a note. Now let's tap the shape icon beside the sticky note. As you can see, this is where you can place not just shapes. You can place animals too and more. For example, I'll use the shape on the animal section, like a rabbit, and I'll place it here. Next, tap the text icon beside the shape icon, and you can add text anywhere on your whiteboard. Next, tap the pencil icon beside the text icon, and you can manually write or draw, and do all sorts of different things using the pen icon. You can change the color if you want. The Freeform app is a versatile tool for organizing thoughts and collaborating with others. By following the steps, you can effectively utilize its features to enhance your productivity. Don't hesitate to explore the app further to discover additional functionalities that suits your need. Happy organizing! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.